An easy way to make a bracelet with 2 colored threads. To make this bracelet you need 15 strands of thread, 3 blue threads and 3 pink threads each. Each thread is 80 centimeters long. You don't have to use blue and pink only, you can make it with any color you like. Okay, fold and fix in half at the middle, and start twisting to make buttonholes. The buttonhole is about 2 centimeters long. Then use 3 strands of tassel thread to make a short loop. Wrap around 1 centimeter. Cut the thread and tighten the winding. Cut off the excess thread and burn. Divide the lines as shown in the video. Take the first thread on the right and wind it to the middle of threads 1 and 2 on the left and pull back to the right. Then the second line on the right passes between the second and third lines on the left. Continue with the 3 wires on the right and pass between the 3 and 4 wires on the left. Finally, the 4th line passes between the 4th and 5th lines on the left. And then the left line is edged in the same way. Then use the same method from the left line to the right. Then repeat the above operation. knit to desired length. Then make another short loop. Finally, divide the thread into 2 groups and tie a diamond. Each thread must be taut. Cut off the excess thread and burn it. You can make this bracelet in the color of your choice. Thanks for watching the video. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Be HandiCraft, and like and comment on the video, so we can make more videos like this for you.